This is the toolbar of markers I made for this application. This is the main selection phase. This is the deselection phase at the bottom. This marker is for x-axis manipulation and y and z. The user holds toolbar like this. You can drag it as you wish. This is another toolbar for manual selection. You can wear it to your fingernail. As you do the selection, a red cube will appear, and you can collide the red cube with the object you want to select. Now you can see the cube becomes blue from white. It means it has been selected, and you can deselect it. Here, let's select the torus. You collide with the object you want to select, and the object changes color, which means the object is selected. And you can see the little squares. They are menus were introduced later. Now we can deselect by showing the deselect button to the user. The deselect marker to the user. Now we select the iPhone. The iPhone is an important model. And this is a freestyle translation. You can zoom in and zoom out by move the toolbar closer or far away from the camera. Now let's deselect it. Alright, this is a freestyle transformation. Now we select the bird, and we can translate the bird in any position we want, because the bird will always be on the top of the toolbar. You can also rotate it. Let's look at the translation. Select the pink menu or the pink square. Once you select the pink menu, you cannot select the other menus. Once a menu is selected, it becomes black. Now, let's translate on x-axis by showing the camera our x-axis marker. Now let's turn the toolbar to show the camera our y-axis marker, and we translate moving the marker along y-axis of the ground. Make sure you always show the y-axis marker to the camera if you want to move it in y-axis. And you can also move the bird, translate the bird in z-axis. So you can see the translation position of. Now let's go back to the freestyle translation. Deselect. Let's do rotation. Select the bird, and then use manual selection marker to select the second menu, which is green. Then turn the toolbar to X marker. Then we can rotate the birds according to its axis, x-axis. and also the y-axis. Also the z-axis. If the marker loses track, the bird will stay as where it was. Let's deselect. And scaling. Select the orange menu. And you can scale the bird according to x-axis. Move the toolbar in x-axis of the ground. Notice that all the scaling are done isotronically. They are scaled in the same size of all x and y and z axis. But the user can still choose how to select them by face the different marker to the camera. Okay, this is the transfer. Select the last menu item, which is blue. When it becomes okay, now the menu is selected. And if we get rid of the ground marker, the bird is still there. It means the bird has been transferred from ground marker to the toolbar marker. If we turn X and Y or Z or deselect marker to the camera, nothing happened. Unless the ground marker is shown, we can deselect the bird.